lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from our title, we are doing Ipsy vs. Ipsy. So what this is the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month. You get 5 items, usually sample to deluxe. Occasionally you do get some full-size items in here. And what I usually do is I do 2 different profiles and go and see if they go by profiles. Now, how I used to do 2 completely different profiles. But what I've been doing the last few months is going by age. Because a lot of times you guys tell me that the younger that you are, the better items that you get. So, I changed it up and I do 2 of the same profiles but different ages. So, if you want to see what I got in here, does age really matter? Then keep on watching. Alrighty, so like I said, I do 2 different ages. I do one which is my real age, which is 44, and then I do the other one that is 25. I say that I have black hair, blue eyes, light complexion, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. I used to do it where I would say my real profile, and then I would say I'm 25, red hair, brown eyes, and not that comfortable with makeup. But like I said, this is probably the 3rd month that I'm doing about age. Does age really make a difference? So let's see. Now the only thing about this is because you have to use 2 different accounts, that I always get one like pretty early and then the other one later on in the month, and I have to wait till they came. But they both came pretty early, so I am quite surprised and pleased. All right, so this is my profile. I'm 44, black hair, blue eyes, light complexion. I'm very comfortable with makeup. And let's see what I got. I don't know if I told you, you guys know this is for the October. Oh, something came out of the bag. 2020. I already did the Ipsy Plus. I will leave that down below. And then I also did the one that I get in PR, the Ipsy Plus and the Ipsy Glam bag. I'll leave that down below as well. All right, so this is the bag for this month. And on the back, it says, Your Magic. I love this right here, the little moon and the star. So pretty. Now, this is gorgeous. This was on the outside of the bag. This is from, I already know by these 2 little crystal things. This is by Astral Glam, but I have never seen this one. This has like green glitter in here. Oh, that's gorgeous. This should have been like Christmas time, you know? That is this is gorgeous. Like, I would probably use this for maybe like highlight or something, but definitely for decoration. Like if I had something back here. Very pretty. All right, let's see if the card is in here. Okay, so for the theme for this month is Your Magic. And you do get the items on here with the prices. Okay, so yes, this is SL Miss Glam. This is a P40 round blusher brush, and this retails for $18.50. Very, very pretty. All right. So far, so good. The next thing we got is, I'm not sure, is this a mascara or not? Let's see. Which it be? Yes, It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. And I believe this is my choice item. You do get 1 choice item for the Ipsy Glam bag. So I'm not going to open this up because I literally use like 3 to 4 different mascaras every day because I am hashtag natural lashes. Comment down below if you are hashtag natural lashes or hashtag lashes if you wear fake lashes. Let me know down below. All right, so we have that. Really excited to try that. The next thing is from Essence. Okay, I love their Essence. I think it's like Princess Mascara. I really do like it. And, oh, did I tell you a price for that? Let's see. So, full size would be $25. All right, so this is the Essence highlighter in Nude. And I have tried this before, but I believe it's like the circle one. And this is a deluxe sample, and this retails for $9.99. So let's see. And I believe the one that I had was like subtle, but this is like different. This is like, I can tell by the texture. Very pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, this is more like a subtle, but you can build it up. But that's how I like my highlighters most days. Very pretty. Now, see how you build it up? It's really, that's gorgeous. I'm really excited to get this. So far, so good. All right, the next thing is from Pistachio Skincare. This is this pistachio oil body butter. I love pistachio ice cream. Love it so much. I don't like pistachios, like the eating the nuts, but I love the ice cream. Okay, so this is, if it was full size, it would be $28. This says Pistachio Skincare Whipped Pistachio Body Butter, aka the boyfriend body butter. All right, and that's definitely enough. It's filled up to the top for you to definitely try to see if you like it. And last but not least, I'm definitely not going to open this because I've gotten this so many times. This is from the Orza Beauty Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. This is full size and it is $20. And let me show you. It has like 4 tiny shades. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. Since I do like Ipsy versus Ipsy, what I typically do is I fill up a bag, and once it's pretty filled up of items that I have doubles of or ones that I'm not going to use, then I do a future giveaway. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have that post notification bell on so you know when the giveaways will come. All right, so that's everything that I got in my profile. 44, black hair, blue eyes, very comfortable with makeup. So let's recap what I got. I got this Essence highlighter. I have the It Cosmetics mascara. I have this eyeshadow. It's like a quad. You can use it for like contour eyeshadow. We have this body butter. And then we have this gorgeous, gorgeous brush. So that's a really good bag. That's really, really good. Oh, and then you get the bag. All right, so let's go with my other profile. So I'm 25, black hair, blue eyes, light complexion, very comfortable with makeup. And let's see, did I get a better items or what? So let's open her up. Okay, so I have 2 masks on the outside. I always tell them that I do not like getting masks because I have so many of them, and they always put it in my 25-year-old profile. You would think, I mean, listen, it's never too early to do skincare. My daughter, who is 20, I have her doing masks, you know, and different things like that. But you would think this would be in my 44-year-old profile, but like I said, you're never too young to start. All right, so we have Face the Day, and then we have, I don't know how to say that, Appraise C. So we have 2 sheet masks. All right, same bag. And this is stuck. All right, so your Magic. And yes, we have the items on here. Okay, so these 2 masks are $5 per mask. So $10. And the bags are $12. For me, I used to love the Ipsy Plus. That used to be my favorite. If you don't know, Ipsy has 3 different subscriptions. They have the Glam Bag, which is $12, which is my current favorite. Then they have the upgrade to the Ipsy Plus, which is $25. And then they have the Big Boy, which is $50 a month. And I used to love the Ipsy Plus, where you get 5 full-size items. But now, it's definitely the bag. All right, so $10. Then we have this. This was stuck on here. This is the Illamask Powder Eyeshadow in the shade Horde. And if it was full size, this is the deluxe sample, it would be $23. And my preference, I don't like to get like one eyeshadow unless it's a shimmer shade. But if it's a matte, I don't tend to reach for it. I can't even get this thing open. And it is a shimmer shade. So there we go, if you guys can see. Very pretty. So I will swatch it. It's very tiny. That's gorgeous. Oh God, that's gorgeous. That is, and it feels so buttery. Like, I wouldn't mind having a full size in that. But these sample sizes go a long way. That's really gorgeous. All right. So I'm excited for that. Why do I only have 2 more things? Is there anything in the bag? Oh, there's something in the bag. That's why. Oh, another SL Glam. So I'll definitely put this in a future giveaway. I don't need 2 of them. And how much was this again? $18.50. Okay. So then we have a Bobbi Brown mascara. And I tell you guys all the time, I love getting mascaras. So I think this was my choice item, the mascara. Because anytime I see mascara, I usually tend to pick that. And this would be $31 if it was full size. And last but not least is from Deuce Cosmetics. And this is an eyeliner in black, and full size would be $22. Now, I'm not going to swatch it because I don't wear a lot of black eyeliners, and I have plenty of black eyeliners, but I can tell you my favorite all-time eyeliner that I put in my waterline is from this brand, and it is in the shade Blue. That's the name of it, Blue. And it is so beautiful that I have like this much left, and I'm getting ready to order another one. And I found it from my Ipsy. And see how this is full size, and it's $12 the bag. So you can get, so this month on this bag I got 2 full size items. That's why I say it's definitely worth the money. All right, so let's recap everything I got in my 25-year-old profile. So we have a black eyeliner. We have a brush. No, not a brush, a blush. We have a Bobbi Brown mascara. Yes. We have 2 face masks. And we have this gorgeous eyeshadow. And I don't know. Let me know down below. Actually, I think my 44-year-old profile is actually better than my 25. So maybe that rumor isn't always true. But let me know down below. Do you do that? Do you put a younger profile in? Let me know down below if you do that. Do you think that if you're younger, you get better profiles? Let me know all the tea. Or do you put your real age and you get a really good bag? Let me know down below. Also, let me know which, out of all 3 Ipsy subscriptions, which one do you think is better? It's more for your liking, like better bang for your buck. Let me know down below if I can talk. All right, guys, that is everything. I really love doing these Ipsy versus Ipsies. I don't know why, but it's probably one of my favorite videos to film. I'm going to start doing try-ons next month. This month because I moved and everything else, and I haven't been doing them, so there's really not an excuse. But I'm going to start doing where I do some try-ons as well. So if that's something that you're really interested in, to see me unbox it and try everything on, then make sure that you subscribed and hit that post notification bell on, because I'm going to be doing that with a lot of my subscriptions starting next month. All right, guys, that is everything. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then please consider giving this video a like. It only takes a second, and it really does help me out. It helps YouTube kind of promote my video a little bit more, and God knows I can use the views. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell. Make sure that you double tap it and you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my upcoming giveaways. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, can you talk? This is so beautiful. Love this so much.